Hi there. My name is Carla, and today I'm going to walk you through an energetic process that I like to take my clients through and that I use for myself before I do anything in my business or any big activity in my life. And this process is calling back your energy and sending back any energy that no longer serves you, that's not yours. So, usually, when we have an interaction with a person, a place, or a thing, there's an energetic cord connecting us together. And for the most part, it's okay, but if you're feeling like you're really drained, especially after you've interacted with a bunch of people, um, or you just feel off, it's good to do this exercise. So what happens is because we have a connection with them, we have an energetic cord attached to each other, and we just want to sever that cord so that we don't have any energy leaks and we're preserving all of our energy and staying in our power. So if you feel off or if you feel like you want to try it to see if you can feel the difference, um, follow along with me. Okay. I'm going to have you close your eyes, sit up nice and straight, relax into your body. And I want you to visualize a white light coming down from the sky. It's coming from God or universal source, whatever feels better to you. And I want you to see that light coming down into your crown, down through your body and out through the bottoms of your feet, and going all the way down to the core of the earth. And see this light wrapping itself around the core of the earth and shooting right back up through the bottoms of your feet, up through your body, and out through your crown. So you're grounded in above and below. And then I want you to see this light coming together at your heart space and shooting out at your heart space all around you. So this is your energetic field. And I just want you to sit there and sit in the energy of gratitude and love. So you are being filled up with love and you are sending out love. But I just like doing this process in general before I do any energy work myself. So just anchoring into love. And now when you're ready, I want you to visualize little cords coming out through your body, out through to all the people, places, or things that you have an energetic tie to. And I want you to see those cords. These cords are representing places where you have left your energy. You can feel maybe one or two, or maybe you feel a whole bunch of them. There's no right or wrong answer. Everybody's different. And if you've never done energy work before, then you probably have a lot, and that's okay. So as you're feeling into it, I want you to set the intention that you're calling your energy back to you, and you're going to see those cords cutting off at the source, and those energetic cords are coming back, and your energy is flooding back into your body. Going all the way through to all the things, and you don't need to know what those things are, who these people are. You just need to see the cord and call your energy back to you. And once you feel like you are complete with that, I want you to see any energetic cords of any energy that you have absorbed from somebody else or from another place, person, or thing. See these cords all around your body. And now we're going to set the intention that we're sending back this energy that no longer serves you, that's not yours. We're sending it back with love to the sender, to the original owner. And see those cords being cut off from your body and going back to wherever they came from. Taking a nice deep breath, you can open your eyes, and that's it. You're all done. So that is my process for calling back your energy. I hope you feel so much better. You should feel a lot better and a lot lighter. So you can do this process as many times as you want during the day, but definitely to do some like energetic maintenance. It's good to do once a day or once a week or whatever you feel works for you.